I'm having a very busy, active weekend here in Romania since I've been back from Dubai. And to be honest, it's been non-stop. I'm pretty tired, I'm not going to lie. It's been non-stop action. Business conferences in Dubai, socials, nights out. Been drinking quite a bit. Not necessarily proud of that. Yesterday went to a party in Bucharest. Tonight going to another lit party with my videographer. Hopefully he's coming along to capture some content. And I'm exhausted, but you know what? I'm enjoying it. And I do it because I enjoy it. And I'm allowed to have a bit of fun. And I'm allowed to have a little drink here and there. As long as I find the balance. I think the balance is absolutely everything. I think that's the key. You go too far in one direction and suddenly you lose that that alignment. If I do too much work and I don't live, I feel like I'm living a boring life. If I do too much going out and too much living and not enough working, then I feel like I'm wasting my time. So finding the balance between the two is the absolute key. And just don't beat yourself up. Listen, this monk mode shit that I read, right? Like, I'm not doing monk mode. I'm telling you that right now. I ain't doing no monk mode, bro. You can monk away. It might be slightly different because I've got more financial stability, but I am not going to live a boring life. I don't give a shit. I am going to turn my YouTube channel and my IG profile and my TikTok into a lifestyle, into more of a lifestyle brand so that you guys can get to see how I'm living. In the meantime, I will obviously still talk about male self-improvement because I'm completely obsessed with it and I love it and I'm amazing at it and I love helping people with this stuff. But ultimately, I want to incorporate my lifestyle into my brand, into my content. I want to incorporate my DJing. I love music. I love going out. I love talking to girls. I love living life. I love food. I love traveling. I love all this stuff. And I'm not going to stop loving it. I'm not going to stop living it. I'm not going to stop doing it. I'm not doing this monk mode, grind mode, monk mode, hustle culture, hustle culture. Shut up, bro. I'm going to live my life. I'm going to work and I'm going to play. Work hard, play hard. Work harder, play harder. I'm doing both. It does get tiring and sometimes you need a bit more sleep or you need to kick back a bit. You need to go up to the mountains and chill for a few days and take your laptop and do some remote work. You need the balance, man. It's a pendulum. My life is a pendulum. Your life is a pendulum. It swings from one end to the other. Just enjoy it, man. Just relax and just enjoy it, for God's sake. Some of you enjoying it too much. I get that. I've got people I know that are smoking too much weed, drinking too much, going out, not making any money. Come on, you have to have your shit together, man. Balance, bro. Balance, bro. You've got a bit of money. You've got a job. You don't have to be rich, but you've got a job. You're looking after your body. Yeah, you can go out on the weekend, spit some game to some girls, have some fun, have a drink or two. Maybe smoke a joint at the end of the night. Whatever, man. You're not killing yourself if you're not doing it all the time. You can do it moderately. You can enjoy it. You can do it in balance. Just enjoy your life. I'm going to be here. One life only. And I want to enjoy it. And I've done that ever since I was 27. I don't give a shit. I believe in abundance. I will make money as I go along. I will keep making money. I will be fine. I will be okay. Health is something I do need to be careful of because these nights out and the lack of sleep and the alcohol and maybe a bump here and a bump there, you know what I'm talking about, is no good for your health. And I'm very, very aware of that. But listen, I enjoy it. I enjoy going out and doing my thing. I enjoy doing magic mushrooms, walking in nature. I enjoy smoking a joint with my friends, walking in the forest, reminiscing, thinking about the past and looking at my business from a different angle. I enjoy having a drink or two, although I actually hate alcohol. Alcohol absolutely sucks. Completely trapped with this societal norm. I'm massive anti-alcohol, but I still have a drink from time to time because I'm like, all right, I'm in the crew. I might as well get a bit merry, have a laugh. So as long as you have it in control, as long as you're balanced, just enjoy your life. Just go out there and do it. I'm not going to work on the weekends. I'm not going to grind 12 hours on the weekends. I've done that. I've grinded. I've worked hard in my life. I've got to this point. I'm cool. On Monday, I'll get back to the gym. I'll balance it out. I'll get back to some monk mode on Monday, right? I'll get back to the grind. I'll get back to focus. I'll get back to content. I'll get back to all the different things I have to manage in my life, which is a lot. So I want to go out on the weekend. I want to enjoy myself. I want to talk to hot girls tonight. I want to go out in Bucharest tonight. I'm going to a sick party. And I'm going to chirps blood, as we'd say in London. Man's going to chirps blood. I'm going to talk to some hot girls. I'm going to enjoy myself. I'm going to have a few drinks. I'm going to feel my vibe. I'm going to pour my soul out to the world. That's living. That's my life. And when I'm dead, I'm going to be damn glad that I did all of that. So I hope you can go away and do some of this too. Just go and live.